Today, I'm making geometric clay rings. Some assembly required. Hello! So we're having some work done and getting some heat pumps installed, and I think they're gonna need to maybe take apart this wall a little bit to get all the electric lines running through, so that is why it's cleared off. But bonus, when they're finished, I get to redecorate. Yay! But in the meantime, I'm going to be making some geometric clay rings. This is the second clay ring video if you don't count the little short video that I made about the bear ring. So I will put the link up here for the first video, and I will try to remember to put all of the links in the description for both the first cute rings video and the little bear short. In this video, I'm going to be making rings with geometric shapes, facets, maybe some patterns. I would also like to try making canes in some kind of a pattern, and then turning the slices into some kind of ring. So that's not necessarily geometric, but for an overarching goal, that's what I have in mind. So let's see what happens. For the first ring, I'm going to marbleize some white and maroon and squish it into a fat, wormy shape. I'll wrap the worm around my substitute finger here. Whoops, don't forget the parchment paper. Now, with an X-Acto knife, I'll just cut off random slices to make nice, flat facets. I'll pull it off, paper and all, and set it aside to wait for baking. I'll squish the rest of this marbled clay into a ball and attach it to a ring blank. I might as well slice some facets into this shape as well. For the next ring, I'll need a long snake. I'm going to build it right onto my form, making a simple little up and down pattern. Let's try something a little more complicated for this one. This is kind of cool. Oh, it almost looks like little S's. Now for my cane idea. I'm going to try to make little orange or lemon slices, so I'll make the little segments with white separating them, and then add some orangey yellow skin. I mean, it looks kind of orangey. Now, I'll try to squish it longer, but keep the half circle shape so I can have more slices to work with and build my ring. Now, of course, they have to bake for about 15 minutes at 275 degrees Fahrenheit. I also made another ring with facets on a ring blank, and so I left those two in because they're a little thicker for about 10 extra minutes. Seemed like it worked? Now that they've cooled from the oven, it's time to try them on. I actually made them Lily-sized because she's probably more likely to wear them, at least more often, but I think they're pretty cool. I really like the orange slices. They're kind of a lot, but in a good way. That's it for geometric rings for today. If you liked it, feel free to give this video a like. Stay tuned for more ring videos. I have one more set of ideas. I'm going to make some simple rings with cute motifs on them so that, you could expand on that. If you're not subscribed yet, you can do that right underneath the video and click the all notifications button so that you don't miss out on the next one or any of the ones coming up after that. New videos come out on Tuesdays and Saturdays, so stay tuned. And until the next video, be awesome, and I'll see you then. Bye!